Alright, hi guys. So, as promised, we're going to be analyzing Volatility 75 on us together. So, I haven't traded this one. Well, I have traded it, but not, I'd call them scalp trades. They were just, I've scalped it. I haven't had any proper swing trades to get into. But I feel like today I might find something. I don't know. We'll see what that market has for us. So, on the daily, my bad. Daily. On the daily time frame, and as we can already see, we've had like a liquidity sweep. You know, we've had a liquidity sweep on the daily time frame, and as you can see, there's a lot of area that was left untouched. So price could. Oh, okay, so yeah, okay, so price could still continue to come up, or it could just reverse down here and go down. To me, it's not all about what price does; it's about how we manage our risk. That's to me the golden rule in trading is managing your risk. So this was just to highlight the break in market structure. If you guys know the terms, please like plug me in the comments. I still get confused, like what validates as a break in market structure and a shift in market structure. I don't know if I use the right terms, but there are two things I'm always confusing when people say break in market structure and shift in market structure. Those are two things I constantly confuse. So yeah, we've already seen this, so I can just delete this and then I only focus on like the most recent price action because I'm trading a small account. This is $18, so I'm trying to get in like entries that I can minimize like have the smallest of losses and hold for maybe 4 or 5 hours to get the biggest of returns. So already looking here, this purple line is the price, the opening price on Sunday for this week, which is the 14th, the opening price. So as you can see, price as soon as it opened, price didn't play any games. It went broke the most recent high, created a new high, and we're currently trading there. So right now we don't know if we're gonna continue to go up or we're gonna come down and create a higher low and continue to go up. So we're just we were for now we're marking our information and we're seeing what the market has for us. So let me just get what this is. So this is the opening price for last week. So price opened this week and came and took out last week's opening price as well as did a cleared the liquidity that was accumulated during the period. So okay, cool. We've established that. Now let's go and mark our daily um, opening price. So today price has opened here, um, just there. So if you can see, something I like to do is look at the previous 3 days candles and see what's going on. So if you can see um the yesterday's candle and today's candle, you can see price acts. It hasn't really moved. In smaller time frames, you can find that this is a consolidation, as you can see in the 30-minute time frame. Um, objects, as you can see in the 30-minute time frame, I can already tell this is the object. This is the past 2 days. So if you can go back and see, you can see. In fact, part of the past 3 days is included. So that was just for example's sake. Sometimes I feel like people don't understand that smaller time frames are just bigger time frames are just a summary of what's going on smaller time frames. It's not like different things are happening because some people will ask me like, is your strategy for which time frame? Like it's the same thing happening all across the chart, so there's no strategy for any time frame in my opinion. If you guys think I'm wrong, fight me in the comments. I'm just kidding. So yeah, like I was saying, so price opened here, and then yesterday it opened. Uh, just I don't know if I'll get it perfectly, but I'll fix it in a lower time frame. So price opened here. So you guys, since we're doing this together, we'll just remember. But like I don't feel like I need to change the colors and everything. Let me just reduce the length of my line so I can properly handle it in the lower time frame. I might even delete these because it's messing up my view. And another thing is I like to be awake when the day opens, and normally what I've noticed about the riff is it's either the new daily candle will form, and the market will either just immediately jump, like go towards where it's going without any serious retracements or anything like that. Like it will just shoot and stay there for the rest of the day, or the day will start and there'll be not much movement until the last two 4 hour candles of the day, which is around 8 p.m. for the day. Yeah. So around then, that's when you start seeing proper movement. 10 p.m. you might see a harsh movement, and then the next candle will be like the rally. So that's what I've noticed. So we've already seen that okay, today price opened here, it's rallied above. So it may rally above and come back down and stuff like that. So with this particular setup, I'm going to leave it in M15, like how I'm going to trade today. So I'll just leave it like this, and I'm going to make use of order blocks, break-in market structure, and the power of three. I try and use the power of three is the most important one I'm going to be using in this because we're consolidating. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for in the consolidation, I'm going to look for a manipulation. I'm waiting to see where market goes, and then we get accumulation. This right now the market is accumulating. I'm waiting for manipulation. It could be to the upside or to the downside. I just wait for it in the M15 time frame, and then I trade the distribution. So even the old me, if I won't even lie to you, the old me would have gotten the trade now. Just looking at this area here, this this little wiki, I would be like, yeah, is this sell side liquidity or it's buy side liquidity? I forgot. But yeah, if this is so, I'll just say like the highs have been cleared. I look here and I'm like, okay, the highs have been cleared. There's a stop loss hunt has been done. We're on the downside now. So that's not who I am anymore. I've been losing money doing that. So even if indeed that's what happened, I'll let the market come. Maybe it will clear here as well. And then the way, like, I've been trading volatility 175 on this, so like I'm almost sure these days like it will do have retracements. It will, so I don't have to like get into the market early. But sometimes I do get impatient. I won't lie. So like I said, I'm going to be using the power of three on this chart today. So the only thing that's missing today is the only thing that's missing in my chart right now is my daily open. So already I'm feeling, because of my bias, I'm feeling bearish because the power of three. So because of the power of three, I'm feeling bearish because when the market opens, so let's say the market opens here, and then it immediately goes to the other side, and then um comes down, and then closes it closes just above the low of the day. That's the power of three structure. So this is what I'm kind of looking for. If because I said my bias today, I'm feeling bearish. I don't know why. So if that's the case, this is the type of move I'll be expecting. So yeah, I'll post what the day entails. We don't control the market. We control ourselves. I always tell people like, think of the market as a river. Like the market already knows where it's going, and it's a river with a strong current. What would happen to you? What happens to you when you try and swim against the current? Like you lose your speed, you lose your momentum. So that's how I think of the market. Like My goal is to join it, to always swim in the direction of the river. So yeah, I think that's it. So right now, while so price has opened here and it's just been accumulating. So let's just see what it has for us. You know, yeah. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe. I really want your opinions, guys. Help me be the best version of myself. Let's do it together. Together we can do it. Thank you.